Hey guys, I'm here and I'm gonna play some Subway Surfer. So yeah, I've been playing this game for quite a while yesterday, and I have a 10,000 high score. So yeah, I'm trying to beat that high score. Wish me luck, cause it's 10,000. Yeah, so it's really hard to play this game. I just met I made new friends online with on Fun Run because they're pretty cool actually. They have really good stories to tell. I already told them about the other stories. I told them I'm a YouTuber. They said that cool. How do you become a YouTuber? Okay, so yeah, you guys know how YouTubers become friends with YouTubers. So guess what? One of them is a YouTuber. Well, the YouTuber is okay, so I made two friends, and they're cousins. They're cousins, right? So like, one of them is a YouTuber, and the other one's not. Okay. So yeah, but they make videos with each other, I believe. That's what they at least told me. And yeah, so I got new friends. One of them is from Chocolate Elementary.
Chocolate Elementary.
Chocolate Elementary.
Is that the one that moved?
No.
The small one?
Just Chocolate Elementary.
Okay.
Chocolate Elementary.
Chocolate Elementary.
Yeah, Chocolate Elementary.
That's actually a good school name.
Yes.
I love chocolate. Okay.
You don't even know where Chocolate Elementary is. But chocolate is good. But yeah, chocolate's bomb. It's the bomb. It tastes so good. Yeah.
John, this is my
I'm gonna go away like no one knows me. Wee na 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 na.
you don't know. Oh, good night. Good night. Good night. Oh no, I never. I look cooler in the mask. Yep.
Oh my gosh, I'm beating so much records.
He's your boss, even if you didn't.
I'm not dead yet though.
Oh yeah.
Like
one time.
Ah, man.
I need to go to fast food. I'm hungry.
Ah. Oh, prize. Hey, coin.
Wait, I want to go to fast food. This is fast food.
Continue. Oh my gosh, guys, I got 15,000. Oh my clips. My clips. Okay, this is getting serious. I'm beast at this game. No, I'm not getting bouncy boots. Last time I got bouncy boots, if the bouncy boots wore off in midair and killed me. I don't like it. Me don't like it.
I'm a pretty safe. Hey John, do you know where my safe is? Safe? Yeah. You don't know where it is?
It's obvious. I can see it.
Where is it?
It's right there.
Oh yeah, it's right here.
That was pretty obvious.
I need to take about 4 rounds.
Gee, what game are you playing?
Minecraft. Jesus, so simple, I ain't that.
Jan already told me where his safe was. I already knew where it was.
Okay, Mr. Fast Food.
Bam.
Give me your whatever you have. More melons. I got so much melons. Hey,
So
you paid me back.
much
Thank
melons.
you. Thank you for the change. Look, he gave me change.
Yeah, Dad?
What?
Huh?